Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you're watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this solely to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more for you. So let us start the day to analyze the movements of natural gas futures in different time frames. So friends, here you can see a weekly chart of natural gas futures. First of all, I would like to tell you that this is a live chart analysis of natural gas futures. So here you can see that how the natural gas futures started this week with a gap down opening, and after covering at the lower levels, natural gas futures finally filled that gap and started to move upward but could not go beyond the levels of $5.171. And here, after testing this high on Monday, natural gas futures started to move downward with a steep downward move, and here you can see that finally the natural gas futures have shown weakness. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures moved lower on Monday as fear of tropical storms awaited. The weather is expected to remain warmer than normal over the next 6 to 10 days, and secondary, the latest reports from EIA showed larger than expected build-up in natural gas inventories. On Monday, natural gas futures sharply fell 2.75% and kept lower, but here you can see how the natural gas futures tried to recover from the lows of the opening levels, but finally found stiff resistance at the levels of $5.171, from where a sharp sell-off started once again. So friends, here I find that this formation of an exhaustive candle in a weekly time frame looks evident enough for continuation of this weakness during the rest of the week, where the natural gas futures could test the next support at the levels of $4.774. And here I find that if the natural gas futures are able to hold this week, well, at this level, we will see a bounce back from here. So first, let us check this move with the help of HMO Cloud. So here you can see that how the 9 days moving average is currently at the levels of $4.692, where the natural gas futures could find an immediate support in a steep fall, from where a reversal can be seen in a weekly time frame. But here I find that currently the natural gas futures have been trading at an edge because the prediction has started once again in the Gulf of Mexico. So this could continue to exert bearish pressure over the natural gas prices. So friends, here I would like to show you the current position of tropical disturbances. So friends, here you can see that how there are two tropical storms here. One is Tropical Storm Peter and other is Tropical Storm Rose, but they are not a threat for the Gulf of Mexico, because here I find that they could shortly turn into a lower category storms. And one disturbance is here where it has only 30% chances of cyclone formation within the next 5 days, and another tropical disturbance is here where the 80% chances of cyclone formation in next 5 days. So friends, here I find that currently there is no major tropical threat for this area where the natural gas rigs are located. So friends, here I find that due to this changing weather, here we'll see a sharp decline in natural gas demand in this area, which could continue to exert bearish pressure over the natural gas prices. So friends, here I find that currently the natural gas futures have been sustaining at the levels of $4.952 after testing a low at the levels of $4.909. So friends, here I find that a sustainable move below the levels of $4.886 will confirm the continuity of this downward move during this week. So friends, now let's check this move in a daily time frame. So friends, here in a daily time frame, here you can see that the natural gas futures finally tested 7-year peak on September 15th at the levels of $5.644, from where a sharp exhaustion was there. The natural gas futures witnessed a sharp sell-off from the peak and finally closed the day at levels of $5.656, and this weakness continued on September 16th when the natural gas futures once again attempted to test the levels of $5.6 but could not sustain there and found sharp sell-off from these levels and continued to move downward up to the levels of $5. 5.282, and once again this weakness continued on September 17th when the natural gas futures found heavy sell-off above the levels of 5.289, where a sharp sell-off was there which continued to drag down the natural gas futures up to the levels of 5.032, where the natural gas futures closed that week. So friends, here you can see that how the natural gas futures started this week, where they kept on opening and tested a high at the levels of 5.171, but found sharp sell-off from here, which resulted in formation of an exhaustive candle in a daily time frame. Looks evident enough for the continuation of this downward move. So friends, here I find that if this exhaustive candle finds confirmation with the formation of one more red candle here, which could be up to the levels of the 4.782, will confirm the continuity of a sharp selling in natural gas futures, where the immediate support can be seen at the 26 days moving average, which is currently at the levels of the 4.692. And here I find that if the natural gas futures are not able to hold this level before the announcement of inventory on Thursday, we'll see the natural gas futures could find more downward move below the levels of the 4.526. And friends, here a breakdown below this level could be a major threat for bulls, because here I find that a sustained move below this level could drag down the natural gas futures to test new lows during the upcoming weeks, where the next target for natural gas bears could be at the levels of 4.187. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.